Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Theory of Supply, chapter number 11. So, first of all, we'll be learning about what is the meaning of supply. So, supply of a commodity refers to various quantities of a commodity that the producer is willing to sell at different prices in the market at a point of time. So, supply of a commodity refers to various quantities of a commodity that the producer is willing to sell at different prices in the market at a point of time. So, this means that whatever commodity the consumer is producing, whatever commodity the consumer is producing, he is willing to sell all those you could say कि commodities or whatever a single commodity or you could say multiple commodities he is producing at different prices at a particular point of time. That means कि आज मार्केट में उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट का क्या प्राइस है, तो आपका जो प्रोड्यूसर है वो कितनी क्वांटिटी उसकी सेल करना चाहता है. ओके, सो दिस मीन्स, तो if suppose the price, so this could be more you could say ki easy by learning this relation. If the price is high, then supply will be high in the market. If the price is low, then the producer will cut down the supply and the supply is less in the market. Okay, this means that every producer wants to earn profit. His main aim is to earn profit. So, the producer will sell more when the price is high and the producer will sell less. That means supply market में कम कर देगा product की when the price is low. For example, a producer is producing say wheat. We talk about wheat. Okay, so you could say कि the person will sell in the market. He is ready to sell in the market. He is actually having 100 tons of wheat stored with him. Okay, so at a particular point of time when the price of wheat is rupees 500 per ton, okay, 500 per ton, so he is ready to sell 10 tons only. Okay, when the price in the market at a particular point of time you could say कि at a particular day the price was 500 rupees per ton, so he is ready to sell only 10 tons. But suppose this is on Monday. Okay, now suppose we are talking on Tuesday. Now price of wheat rises to rupees 600 per ton. Now the producer is ready. Now the price has increased. That means earlier it was 500. Okay, now the price is 600. So there is a difference of rupees 100. That means on Tuesday the price is more in the market. Okay, now the producer will sell more quantity. That means he is ready to sell 50 tons, suppose. Okay, so this relationship exists when we talk about supply. That means a producer is ready to sell more. That means supply will be more in the market when the price is more. Supply will be less in the market when the price is less. Now the next thing we are going to discuss is quantity supplied. So what do you mean by quantity supplied? Quantity supplied refers to the specific quantity. It refers to the specific quantity of a product what a producer wants to sell at a particular price in the market. That means it refers to the specific quantity which a producer is ready to sell at a specific price. That means specific quantity at specific price. That means if the price was rupees 500 per tons, then the producer was only ready to sell 10 tons. Now when the price is 600 tons, he is ready to sell 500 tons. So quantity supplied means a specific quantity at specific price. Now the next thing we are going to discuss is supply schedule. So what is supply schedule? Supply schedule is a table which represents quantity of a commodity at a particular price. Okay, table which represents quantity of a commodity at a particular price. Okay, that means different prices पे different quantities जब एक टेबल की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट की जाती हैं, it is considered as supply schedule. So supply schedule is classified into two categories. First is individual supply schedule, okay, and the other one is market supply schedule. Fine. So first we will be discussing about individual supply schedule, then we will discuss about market supply schedule. So what is individual supply schedule? So individual supply schedule refers to the supply schedule of an individual producer in the market. That means here we will be talking about individual producer. That means what quantity the individual or you could say कि a single producer is selling in the market at a particular price. Okay, for example, now suppose he is selling good X and price and quantity he is supplying in the market. Okay, now suppose the price is rupees 5, he is supplying 0 units of the commodity. Okay, he is supplying X commodity in the market, he is the supplier of X commodity. Now when the price is rupees 5, he is supplying 0 units. That means he is not supplying, okay, anything in the market. उसको 5 rupees पर कुछ भी सप्लाई नहीं कर रहा वो मार्केट में. Now suppose the price rises to 10 rupees, he is ready to supply 10 units. Now this depends upon the willingness of the producer that whether he will supply at that particular price or not. Okay, so he was not willing to supply at rupees 5. That means he supplied 0 units. That means he was not willing to supply. Okay, now when the price rose to 10 rupees per product, okay, so he supplied 10 units of the commodity. Now 15 units, 15 rupees price, Okay, so it is represented in rupees and quantity in units. Okay, so when 15 rupees was the price, he was ready to supply 20 units in the market. When price rose to 20 rupees per product, or that means 1 unit of good X was of rupees 20, so he was ready to supply 30 units in the market. So this shows the individual supply schedule. Suppose the producer's name is Ram, so Ram ka supply schedule is this individual supply schedule. Now the next topic is market supply schedule. So what is market supply schedule? Market supply schedule when is that schedule, or you could say ki it is the representation of more than one producers in the form of table. That means a table representing the supply schedule of more than one producer. For example, we talk about Ram and Sham. ओके, दीज आर टू प्रोड्यूसर्स. सो जब एक से ज़्यादा का सप्लाई स्केड्यूल हम स्टडी करते हैं, दैट इज़ या कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मार्केट सप्लाई स्केड्यूल. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट राम एंड श्याम, सो मोर देन वन. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, price, both are supplying good X. Okay, and this is for Ram, this is for Sham. Okay, Ram is running firm X, firm A, and he is running firm B. Okay, and this is the market supply schedule. Okay, so at a particular price, what will be supplied by firm A and firm B, and when we add both firm A and firm B, we get market supply schedule. Suppose the price was rupees 5, so firm A was ready for nothing, for supplying nothing in the market, that means 0. Now firm B was also supplying nothing, that means 5 rupees was not suiting to both the firms, so they were supplying nothing. Okay, so when we add market, that means this is the addition of firm A and firm B, so it will be 0. Now the price is rose to rupees 10. Firm A supplies rupees 10 units, and firm B supplies 5 units. So 10 plus 5, it will be 15. Then 15, firm A supplies 20 units, firm B supplies 10 units. Then 20 plus 10, it will be 30, and so on. So this represent, that means over here we are talking about two firms. Okay, or it could be more than two firms, 5 firms, 10 firms, however how many firms are given to you. Okay, or we are talking about, so over here we are talking about two firms, so it will be considered as market supply schedule.